Thank you for joining me for another office hours training. I am Crystal L. Gunn, your financial strategist, life insurance agent, and small business advisor. It's National Long-Term Care Awareness Month, this month of November. So all month I've been providing information and things to consider as it relates to long-term care and long-term care insurance. So let's continue with that today and talk about comparing standalone long-term care insurance versus life insurance with long-term care riders, right? So when planning for long-term care needs, you may wonder whether to choose a standalone long-term care policy or a life insurance policy with long-term care riders. Both options provide coverage, but they differ in cost, benefits, and flexibility. So standalone long-term care, let's look at the pros for that. The comprehensive coverage, specifically designed for long-term care needs, offering robust benefits for home care, assisted living, and critical nursing home care. Higher benefit limits may provide more extensive daily or monthly payouts compared to riders, right? So I'll talk about riders in a minute. Customizable options allows you to tailor the policy to fit your specific care needs. The cons of a standalone long-term care insurance policy is it's use it or lose it. If you never need long-term care insurance, you receive no financial benefit. Premium increases. Premiums may rise significantly over time, making it less affordable as you age. Stricter underwriting. Approval can be difficult if you have pre-existing conditions, right? So let's look at let's look at life insurance with long-term care riders. So a rider is something that's an add-on to your policy, right? So you may have a life insurance policy. Let's say you have a $500,000 term life insurance policy. You can have a long-term care or critical illness rider. It's not a separate policy. It's a rider on this policy that you have. Okay. It's not a standalone long-term care policy or a hybrid of life insurance and long-term care. It is a rider in addition, on top of whatever policy that you have. So the pros of life insurance with a rider is the dual purpose, combines a death benefit with long-term care coverage, ensuring that the money isn't wasted. That if you don't need care, right? So the survivors still get the death benefit. It has fixed premiums, often includes guaranteed premiums, avoiding unexpected rate hikes. And legacy planning, it provides financial security for beneficiaries if long-term care benefits aren't used, right? So remember, when you talk about the riders or this type of rider, if you got a $100,000 death benefit, you use $20,000 that you've pulled out of that for long-term care. Now that death benefit is $80,000. Okay. The cons: lower long-term care benefits typically offer smaller payouts for long-term care than standalone policies. Has a higher initial cost. It might be more expensive than a standalone life insurance policy. You got to look at the two, right? And it might have a higher cost that might be a couple of dollars more, right? And it could have a reduced death benefit. Using funds for long-term care reduces the amount left for beneficiaries. So which one should you choose? If your primary concern is comprehensive long-term care coverage, a standalone policy may be better. If you want flexibility and a guaranteed benefit, Even if you never need care, a life insurance policy with a long-term care rider could be the smarter choice. Careful considerations of your health, financial situations, long-term care goals can help you determine which policy types fits you best. Always talk to your advisor, your life insurance agent, to make sure that you're getting what's right for you. So, hybrid policies with no health questions. If you're concerned about qualifying due to health issues, a hybrid life insurance and long term care policies with no health questions is an excellent option. So, this type of policy provides the benefit of life insurance and long term care coverage without the rigorous underwriting process. It's guaranteed issue. There are no health questions asked, making it accessible to a broader range of individuals. So I offer this type of policy, which ensures peace of mind with guaranteed acceptable, flexible options. And let me tell you, I don't know of another company out there. This is something that my business partner went and had specifically created. There wasn't another policy. There's not another policy out there that has no health questions, right? So again, I offer this type of policy. It's an easy way to protect yourself and your family without the stress of medical exams or health-related barriers. I have people call me all the time. Their parents don't have life insurance, or they don't have life insurance, but they've had a stroke. They have, some sort of kidney issues. They've had heart attack. They can't get a policy. Well, this has no health questions, right? No health questions. So it's huge. So do me a favor. Think about you and your parents. Can one of these type policies be helpful in your planning strategy? Now, remember, we tailor it and we build it based off your specific strategy, but can one of these be helpful in your planning? Right? Monetary support you receive with long-term care insurance can provide for better care, prolong life, give relief to the family caregiver, pay bills associated with the care that is not covered by health care insurance, and it can help keep the family out of financial ruin. So, you already know what my favorite thing is today: long-term care, long-term care insurance. However, we create the strategy for you that works best for you, having it, and the earlier you get it, just like any other type of insurance. You're younger, you're healthier. Makes for a less expensive policy. So, what are the next steps? Schedule a consultation, schedule a consultation, schedule a consultation. The same next steps from yesterday. Let's talk about the strategy. As of today, filming this on November 20th, I'm still waiting for the link. I will come back in these notes, in the description, if you come back later, to post the link that you can call and speak to a certified enrollment specialist. I can walk you through the process in the meantime, or even after, because when you get it, you're still going to have to do that anyway. But you can schedule a consultation for life insurance, wills, and/or powers of attorney, and let's talk about the strategy for you. Because, like, I have a client right now where we're doing a regular life insurance policy, and then we're doing critical illness, and for her and her daughter, because it's a family policy, right at the client's age is $9.50, and the benefits are phenomenal. And then a permanent policy for her daughter, right? And it was the strategy. She had a certain amount that she could spend per month for life insurance. She had none. And so we've worked in those parameters to make sure all of the bases are covered. Okay. So always stop thinking that you just have more time. You just don't know what happens. Stop thinking that you have more time. I'm not saying that you don't, but put the things in place. Plus, again, the earlier, the younger, the healthier, all of that, the premiums cost less. And remember to always give yourself some grace. Always give yourself some grace for what you don't have, what you didn't do, what you lost, what you messed up yesterday. Give yourself some grace for that. Forgive yourself and move on. You, however, cannot give yourself that same grace tomorrow. You know about it. Today is the 20th. I've done almost every Monday through Friday this month talking about long-term care insurance. Last month might have been planning. I stop thinking that you have time to get these things in order, right? Because time is costing you. So you cannot give yourself grace tomorrow for what you've already heard me talk about and you haven't moved on. So give yourself some grace, keep striving, never give up on you, always, always invest in you. You're worth it. It is the best investment that you will make, and you will never, ever, ever regret it. I'm Crystal L. Gunn, your financial strategist and life insurance agent. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Be sure to join me for the private online Q&A immediately following. The link is in the description. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you never miss this opportunity. Thank you again, and I will see you on the other side.